It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, it is Tuesday, and that means that it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So I've decided that I'm going to do the bottom of my closet. We did my husband's half of his closet the other day because we were looking for something, so he cleaned his side out. So it's all nice and clean and tidy, so my side needs to be cleaned and tidied. So this is Tuesday Tiny Tidy, and it's sponsored by Sunday Dawn, and it's a collaboration. So I will pin the list in my comments like I usually do. Last week we had several ladies, so it was great fun to watch. So this is going to be my Tiny Tidy Tuesday. In the bottom of my closet, the top's not too bad, so we'll get down on the floor and take everything out. I think you can see pretty good. Lots of stuff in here. I gotta decide what to do with him. Where to put him. Maybe we'll stick him in the living room somewhere. Oh, that's a good place for my nail polish. Okay, let's get all these shoes out here. Take the shoe rack right out because I want to clean the floor. There's another hat. Looking for my tens machine for my brother, and I just found it. I don't even know what half this. Oh, those are my wigs. I forgot about my wigs. When I had long hair, I used to add hair. And what's in here? I think this is face masks by the feel of it. Yep. What else is in here? Oh, it's all kinds of face masks. Oh. Yeah, I might just have to my nail. Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to keep this out so I can use it. It always amazes me how much stuff you can get in the bottom of a closet. I don't know if I want that. A pencil. And these are some papers that I'll probably still need to hang on to. Whew, dusty in there. Dusty, dusty, dusty. Oh, and my witch's hat. When we dressed up for Halloween. I put on my long gray wig and my purple witch's hat. Got to keep that. Okay, I'm going to get something to clean with. Okay, I decided the easiest way would be to spray it and use some paper towel to wipe it up. There's a lot of dust bunnies in this cupboard. So I'm going to get in here and wipe it all down. Pretty bad. Okay. Spray a bit more. Wipe it again. Oh, that's better. And all I'm using is water and cleaning vinegar. So, put this back in. Back there. This bag just holds odds and ends. And this bag has a few presents in it, as my daughter and I are doing our own advent calendars this year. She's going to do one for me and I'm going to do one for her. So we're just buying our gifts as time goes by until December the 1st. And then we have to have them ready and we'll exchange them. And this is one of my hats I'm going to take out to the trailer because I wear a hat at the trailer. Oh yes, I got to put this Halloween hat back in here. Never know when you're going to need a good Halloween hat. Okay. I'll put this back in here. I'll wipe it down. Okay. And we'll put the shoe rack back in there. There we go. Let's put dress shoes at the back. And these are keepsake runners. My husband and I made a trip to Israel and we went to the Baha'i holy places. So these are the shoes I wore. And I just can't part with them. They're a keepsake for me. So I'm going to put them in that bag with odds and ends. Seem to be missing slippers. I seem to be missing slippers. Yeah. Casual shoes. My good runners. kids' boots, little booties. These shoes I wear often. And these are my sandals. They're peace sandals. I got these when I did a trip to New York with one of my nieces and her mom. We went to New York and I bought these, so this is a keepsake too. I'd like to get them resoled because they're quite slippery and then I could wear them again. But those I'm going to keep. That's my memory. Oh, here's a slipper. And I have this slipper and this slipper. And I don't know where this slipper is. It's got to be around somewhere. So I'm going to stick it right there until I can find the other slipper. So I got this little bit of stuff. This is garbage, and a pencil and some clear nail polish, which I'm going to put away in my hat, which I'm going to take to the trailer. The teddy bear, not sure where he's going. Maybe we'll set him right there. Just for now. And I'm going to donate this. Put this beside my bed, and this I'm going to give to my brother. So, there's my tiny tidy for today. I've been wanting to get at that for a while, so it's nice to have it all done. But I have to look and see where my other slipper is. I like those for out at the trailer. So I'll find that and then I'll take them to the trailer. We're getting ready to go out to our RV site that we go to for the summer. So I'm thinking about what I need to get ready. But there you go. That's my tiny tidy for today. And I encourage you to watch all the other ladies' tiny tidies. They're always fun to see what everybody's getting into. And hope you subscribe to all their channels. I encourage you to do that. Please, please. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please, please subscribe. Well, thanks again for watching. And thank you, Sunday Dawn, from the Helpful Home YouTube channel. And all the other ladies who do this challenge or collaboration. I always find it fun and it gets something done that needs to be done. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.